hiccup.
Taken a little advice. Fate can be so cruel at times.
No more? Oh, another one. And another hiccup.